competition. You're hopeless, I'll trash their ambition. Listen, you want a class on tradition or one condition? Forget the best of the century. Talk about the best of all time, you better mention me. Essentially, I'm the best there's ever gonna be. I hold my ground, you never take it from under me. Don't run to me, it's gonna be trouble. I hit you so many times, you see triple or double instead of one of me. I got more heart, more ways to tear you apart. I lay you down early on, or maybe in the later round. It's no different to me if you tap out, cash out, or simply pass out for three. Cause you face down, really, barely alive. Cause I'm an animal inside, hear me? I'm what the game is supposed to be. Hopefully you see what I mean. Knock you out, haven't seen. You were beaten by a triple team. Box you out the whole scene and gleam. The limelight's my dream. I shine bright. Smash you, front to back. You gon' need hindsight. In fact, when I attack, you're lucky if I leave you intact. I'm prone to overkill. I work you over till I steal your motor skills. It's the same whenever I'm done. You're numb, cold as thumb. And most can't remember their name or where they're from. And some speechless, stunned, looking deaf and dumb. You're weak like 7 days. Dead afraid, I'm amazed. Y'all still step up because I hit more men than Jenna Jameson in better days. You can't clear your heads, you in a Jenna Haze. You got him, and you can spot him every Thursday night on TNA. It's like a spotlight and main events in his DNA. It's Kurt Angle, Benito, settled, best in the world, only guy in the sport with a gold medal. Feature both ends to the center, physical and mental, cause he's simply better. No playing around with those second attacks, and lay you down for a 3-second nap on the mat. If staring at the ceiling on your back is appealing, get yourself a match and you gon' do that. It's a rap, trapped in the game, you a rat in the maze, just amazed how I made my name. My fame is a runaway train on the track. I fight like my life's on the line every night. In fact, that's why I'm gonna take that strap.